Welcome to database management systems. In the world that we are living today, databases form the backbone of several applications that we are using on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis. Think about the email systems like Gmail that we use, the net banking systems that is omnipresent today, the academic management system of different universities and colleges. Everywhere there is a database in small, medium or large scale that is involved, and databases are used in these applications in loosely or tightly coupled manner. They are used over intranet or internet. They are used for scientific, social, financial, in every sector. So, structured database management systems, which are in short called DBMSs, mostly based on relational and few other kinds of models, are the requirement for design, development, maintenance and user friendly deployment of such systems. There are several commercial DBMSs. At times we say relational DBMSs or RDBMSs, like Oracle, like Microsoft SQL, and there are a number of public domain free RDBMSs like MySQL, Postgres and so on. All of these systems are based on a set of common design principles, practices that cut across the territory of commercial as well as public domain systems, and most importantly, all of them are interfaced through a moderately standardized query language, query processing system called SQL or structured query language. Therefore, in this course it is imperative for us to understand the design, development and deployment issues in our DBMSs. In this course, we will start with the basic requirement analysis. We will talk about modeling in the context of databases. We will talk about details of formalisms in relational algebra, which is the basis of relational database. We will teach how to form queries. We will dwell in length on SQL to write different queries, analyze them, optimize them and so on. And we will talk about different implementation issues through data representation, data structuring and file organization. We will talk about actual transaction systems which ensure that hundreds and hundreds of users can use a database concurrently in a consistent manner, so that there is no error that would surface. We will also talk about different issues relating to recoveries, so that if a database fails, then how can that be recovered in proper time, and we will try to illustrate all these discussions and deliberations through various problems that will be presented in the assignments and some of the small development projects that we will ask the students to perform. Overall, going through this course will give a basic understanding of RDBMS from all aspects of design, use, optimization and management. This is a first level course. So, there will be several advanced topics which will not be covered, but they will be briefly outlined to understand that beyond this course what a student should learn.